So as I'm sure most of you all know, EVs require next to nothing in terms of maintenance compared to their gas counterparts. My 2014 Smart Electric Drive Cabrio is no different. The only real thing you need to regularly change is the desiccator cartridge that goes underneath the car once every 2 years. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's a super easy job that can be done by pretty much anyone. The only really thing you really need is a T90 torx. Now this pack here, I got it from Amazon for I think about 20 or 30 Canadian dollars. You know, it's kind of maybe expensive for something that you're gonna be doing once every 2 years. But if you go to the dealership, or the stealership I should say, they're gonna charge you at least 120. Oops. And of course you're gonna need a jack or some wheel ramps. I'm gonna show you how I jack my car up. Super simple. If you have a hydraulic jack, just find a little arrow right on the plastic part over there. Slide the jacker in. Make sure it's down as much as you can. Center it to the arrow and close her up and start jacking. Up she goes. So here is the desiccator cartridge, and what I paid for it came down to $52 with tax, $61.96 Canadian, which is more expensive than the first time. When I bought it in 2020, it only cost about $35. Now it's up to $61. Still cheaper if you go and get it done. When you open it up, you'll notice that it's vacuum sealed and it also has an expiry date. Mine is best before 2023, October 15. So we're more than a year before then, so it should be fine. As you can see, there's no leaks, nice and sealed. That's where the torx goes in. Also, I forgot to mention, it's located on the passenger side. Just look underneath the battery pack. You'll notice right over here, that's where your T90 torx goes in. So we're gonna unscrew that one, open this up, and put the new one in its place. All right, so here we go. Open up blocking. There's a T90 torx, just a regular ratchet that I have here, and that goes right there. Super easy, comes right off. And there it is. I'm not gonna wait too long. I'm gonna open the other one up. Heard the little sizzle. Just push it out, I guess. There it is. Straight back in. This is like little white notches. The old one doesn't have little white notches on the side. That's neat. Oh, it's a gasket. I think they added a thicker gasket to this new one. All right. Get this out of the way. I feel like the fit is more snug now. And not too tight, of course. That's good. That should be it. We're done. So there you have it. It's just about the easiest maintenance procedure anyone could do on pretty much any car. It took us like max 30 seconds. So there it is. I hope it helps someone out and helps you save some money and keep this beautiful little
thing of a car alive.